If you're trying to find the email connected to your Epic Games account on Nintendo Switch, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest and safest way to check it step by step. Now, one important thing to know right away is that you cannot directly see the full Epic Games email inside the Nintendo Switch interface itself. So instead of looking for it on the console, you'll need to check it through the Epic account page using the same Nintendo login connected to your account. This is the best method, and it only takes a minute if you follow along. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming and tech guides just like this. It really helps the channel a lot, and it lets you know when I post new step-by-step videos. Alright, let's get started. First, open a browser on your phone or computer and go to epicgames.com. Once the site loads, look for the Sign In option and click it. On the login screen, you'll see different account options, but for this method, you want to choose the Nintendo Switch login option. This is important because it will connect directly to the Nintendo account that's linked to your Epic Games profile. Next, sign in using your Nintendo account credentials. If you're already logged into Nintendo on that device, it may take you straight through without asking much. If not, just enter the details for the Nintendo account you use on your Switch. After you log in, Epic Games will open your account dashboard. Now, from the account page, go to Profile, then select Account, and after that, choose Account Info. This is the section where Epic stores your account details, including the email address connected to your profile. Once you're in the Account Info area, you should be able to see the email address associated with your Epic Games account. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're signed into the correct Nintendo account, especially if you have multiple profiles or more than one Switch user. A lot of people get stuck because they're checking the wrong Nintendo login, and that can show the wrong Epic account or no account details at all. Also, remember that on the Switch itself, Epic Games does not always display the full email address directly in the console menus. That's why this browser method is the most reliable way to find it. It gives you access to the full account information without guessing. Once you've found the email, you can write it down, save it securely, or use it to recover your account, update your password, or manage your Epic settings. If you were trying to verify which email is attached to your Fortnite or Epic account, this method should clear that up fast. And that's it. Now you know how to see your Epic Games email on Nintendo Switch the proper way. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.